Hi all! Welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. And for today's video and content mga sis-Mars, another camera review na naman tayo sa isang iPhone. But this time, doon naman tayo sa Pro Max series. And we have here iPhone 13 Pro Max. Again, mabibili natin to sa recommended shops natin sa Green Hills, which is CMB Gadgets XA07. At yan ang stall number ni Ate Mayet. Meron silang permanent shop sa Green Hills, which is Kingel Telecom. At yan naman po ay sa 3rd floor V-Mall, San Juan City. Akit lang kayo using elevator. And then pagbukas ng elevator, dire-diretso lang kayo noon. Makikita nyo kagad yung Kingel Telecom structure. So, before we start mga sis-Mars, let's go ahead and check first the specification of this iPhone 13 Pro Max. So, this iPhone 13 Pro Max was released way back on year 2021. Pagdating sa display, meron itong 6.7 inches na merong Super Retina XDR OLED na merong 120Hz refresh rate. Pagdating naman sa body build, yung front and back nito is stainless steel frame. At sa IP feature naman ni iPhone 13 Pro Max, meron itong IP68, dust tight and water resistant. Pagdating naman sa chipset mga sis-Mars, meron itong Apple A15 Bionic na merong iOS 15, gradable of course sa iOS 18.3. Pagdating naman sa camera, meron triple camera ito sa ating iPhone 13 Pro Max. And those camera is 12 megapixel. Including na dyan of course yung telephoto and also ultra-wide. Sa main camera video recording resolution naman, cover ito ng 4K resolution na merong 60 FPS. Pagdating sa selfie camera, meron itong 12 megapixels. Sa video recording resolution naman, meron itong 4K resolution na merong 60 FPS. Sa battery capacity naman nitong ating 13 Pro Max, 4,352 mAh battery. Sa storage naman, meron kang 4 choices dito sa ating 14 Pro Max. So, meron silang 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and also yung pinakmataas is 1TB. Sa color preference naman mga sis-Mars, meron 5 colors si iPhone 13 Pro Max. Meron tayong graphite, gold, silver, Sierra blue, alpine green. Pagdating po sa charging port ng ating 13 Pro Max, USB Lightning po ito. Pagdating naman sa security feature ng ating 13 Pro Max, meron po itong Face ID sensor. Again mga sis-Mars, mabibili nyo to sa recommended shops natin sa Green Hills, CMB Gadget or Kingel Telecom by Ate Mayet. Yung link po ng page nila is nasa description box na po. So that is our quick specification look sa ating 13 Pro Max. Let's proceed na checking the camera of this phone. You can see right here, ito yung ating 13 Pro Max. So sa photo, you you have an option for 0.5, 1, 3 zoom in, and up until 15 zoom in. Pagdating naman sa video, may option ka for 0.5, 1, 3 times zoom in, and you can maximize the zoom in up until 9. Meron tayong cinematic here. Ayan, meron tayong slow-mo, time-lapse. We also have portrait and panorama. Sa video naman ng ating main camera, you have an option for 4K resolution up until 60 FPS. Meron ka din option dito to turn on the flash, and then pag sa photo naman, meron kang option dito of course sa for brightness, for contrast, for filter also, and also live on and live off switch in here. Sa front-facing camera naman, of course, you don't have an option to zoom in and zoom out na sobrang malaki yung ating selfie. Kaya nga po, selfie. So, we only have an option dito, yan sa photo. So, same lang naman sa video. Ayan, cinematic, slow-mo, time-lapse, portrait, and also panorama. So, yun po yung camera feature ng ating 13 Pro Max. So, proceed na tayo checking the quality of this 13 Pro Max camera. Mag-take tayo ng video using the main camera. Video sample of iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see right here, I'm using the 13 Pro Max. One time zoom in, and then ayan yung ating zoom in using the video. So you can see, ayan po yung setup natin. Again, you have an option to lower and also adjust the brightness of this video. So you can see, Ayan yung ating camera. 0.5. Ayan yung ating 0.5. Alright, so yan yung ating camera. So next naman is yung front facing naman sa video recording. Video sample of 13 Pro Max currently using the front facing camera. So that's my setup right there. Ayan. Magkuha tayo ng Mr. Wing light. Alright. So that is the quality of 13 Pro Max front-facing camera. Let's try to capture naman using photo feature ng ating 13 Pro Max. So we have 0.5, 1, and 3 times zoom in. Alright. So let's try portrait then. Let's try portrait. Okay. Alright. So let's try it here. Tingnan natin. Oh, okay. Let's try photo then using 0.5. Okay, let's try one more time. Yung may flash. Diba uso yung may flash yung mga millennials or Gen Z? Alright. Wow, ang ganda ha. Isa pa. Nagustuhan yung ano. Okay. So that is the camera of iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's proceed naman sharing you guys my own thoughts and feedback with this phone. Video sample of 13 Pro Max currently using the front-facing camera. So that's my setup right there. Ayan. Magkuha tayo ng Mr. Wing light. Alright. So that is the quality of iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see right here, I'm using the 13 Pro Max. One time zoom in and then ayan yung ating zoom in using the video. So you can see, ayan po yung setup natin. Again, you have an option to lower and also adjust the brightness of this video. So you can see. Ayan yung ating camera. 0.5. Ay, yung ating 0.5. So, pagdating sa presyo ng ating 13 Pro Max, which is 30,000 to 33,000, if you are going to ask me, reasonable ba yung presyo? Para sa akin mga sis-Mars, that was actually expensive. To be honest, expensive yan. Hindi ganon kadaling maglabas ng 30,000 na pera. Pero syempre, kung tatanungin niyo ako kung sulit pa ilalabas yung pera kapalit ng 13 Pro Max or ng ating iPhone 13 Pro Max, of course, yes. Sa camera niya, sa chipset niya, sa design niya, and also sa kanyang battery. Though, that battery capacity was actually not big pagdating sa inyo, lalo na sa mga Android user. Kasi sa 30,000, makakabili ka na ng phone na may battery capacity na 5,000 mAh. But we are not talking about the battery capacity in here. We're talking about the iPhone 13 Pro Max camera. Yes, I can recommend this 13 Pro Max within this year to be purchased, of course. Pagdating sa camera, okay siya, 12 megapixel, that was actually good. Pagdating sa selfie, camera niya, same megapixel, that was actually fine. Again, reasonable na makikita nyo sa video natin na medyo may noise kasi po, madilim po at hindi maliwanag dito sa workplace natin. Next thing po is yung chipset. Yung chipset po ni 13 Pro Max is actually good. Pwedeng pang gaming itong si 13 Pro Max. Aside from that, yung body build ni iPhone 13 Pro Max is very aesthetic at ang ganda tignan. Very elegant siya. As you can see right here, we have a Shera Blue. Ayan. So, makikita nyo na napakaganda talaga ng body build ng ating 13 Pro Max. And one thing that I love with this 13 Pro Max is of course yung security feature niya, which is yung Face ID sensor niya. Para sa akin, napakagaling talaga ng ginawa ni Apple na meron ng alternate appearance. Alam niyo ba na meron ng alternate appearance si Face ID? Kumbaga, hindi lang isang face yung pwede mong ma-recognize or i-register sa phone mo. Pwede kang gumamit ng another Face ID. Just like us po, ako kasi, syempre, yung cellphone ko, nakaregister yung Face ID noon sa akin. But since I have a partner, which is J-Vlog, niregister ko yung face niya as alternate Face ID. Para hindi niya na kailangang i-press pa yung password ng ating phone. So, maganda din yun mga sis-Mars na merong alternate Face ID recognition si Apple. Marerecommend ko po siya sa may mga budget talaga. Again, mga sis-Mars, 30,000 to 33,000 is malaki talaga yan. Siyempre, alam ko naman kung gaano kahirap ipunin or gaano kahirap maglabas ng pera. Pero kung tutuusin, if galing ka sa mga mabababang o if galing ka sa, for example, isang Android brand or sabihin na natin 10R, ganyan, 11, 12, it is actually perfect na mag-upgrade ka sa mga Pro Max version ni Apple. Again, yung mga Pro Max version ni Apple, matatagal na po yan. Proven and tested na namin yan, matagal na. Actually dati nung nag-start pa lang ako nagba-vlog, ang ginagamit ko talaga is 11 Pro Max. Same lang kay J-Vlog, ang ginagamit niya dati is 11 Pro Max. And that 11 Pro Max is actually good pagdating sa battery kasi nakakapag-vlog kami. Alam niyo yun, hindi, kasi nasabi kasi nila maliit daw yung battery capacity ni Apple. Yes, maliit yung battery capacity ni Apple, but that was actually fine kasi makunat pa rin po yung battery capacity ni Apple. So, yes, I can recommend this 13 Pro Max within this year. If you're going to ask me about the camera, it was actually fine at maganda po yung camera quality ng ating 13 Pro Max. Wala akong masabi kasi previously na din ako nagkaroon ng 13 Pro Max and that 13 Pro Max was actually fine. Wala pong problema, apakaganda ng quality, lalo na yung cinematic feature niya. Ang ganda din ang naisip ni Apple doon na naglagay siya ng video na na-cinematic na. So, maganda yun para sa akin and that was actually good lalo na pag nag-start kang mag-vlog sa Facebook, pang Reels, pang daily vlog nyo, pang TikTok. Alright, so once again, I'm not a pro when it comes to reviewing tech. I'm just sharing you guys my own feedback and also my own opinion na din pagdating sa phone na to. Sinashare ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga napinsin ko at mga nagustuhan ko dito sa ating 13 Pro Max. So once again, my name is Maring Ana. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, A-Stories.UGC. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo ng very, very light. At pagdating po sa pagbibili ng ating iPhone, again, nasa inyo pa rin po yun kung ano po yung gusto nyong bilhin. It actually depends if you want to purchase 13 Pro Max, XR, 10, 11, 12, or any of your iPhones. I'm just sharing you guys my feedback pagdating sa camera ng ating 13 Pro Max. Share ko lang sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung quality ng ating 13 Pro Max, and I'm not biased. Pag nakita ko yung pangit yung quality, why would I recommend that phone? Again, we're talking about budget, price, quality in here, okay? So, once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you ulit sa ating next na camera review.